Good morning, student. Welcome back once again. We have seen that nitrogen fixation by the rhizobium, that is a symbiotic nitrogen fixation. In this lecture, we are going to see nitrogen fixation by a BGA. BGA, that means a blue-green algae. Let's see. It is also symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Symbiotic nitrogen fixation. It take place in a blue-green algae or a cyanobacteria. Several members of blue-green algae cyanophytes fix the atmospheric nitrogen by the symbiotically in their heterocyst. It is entirely different in the filament hetero, that is mean different, which having the thick wall. It may be terminal or intercalary position in a filament. Nitrogenase enzyme is located in a heterocyst which is well protected from the oxygen by a thick wall. Let's see that are the blue-green algae. One example, nostoc filament. That is the heterocyst cell in there is nitrogenase enzyme are present that performing the nitrogen fixation. There are the different parts of a heterocyst, nostoc filament. Let's see nostoc these are having the symbiotic association partner that are the anthoceros. In anthoceros thallus they are present. Okay, in that there are the root structure. This anthoceros nostoc are present and that having the combining partner, and both are the benefited to each other, which are benefit nostoc get a shelter of from an anthoceros, and anthoceros get a nitrogen from the soil. The vegetative cell perform the process of a photosynthesis and supply the H plus ion for the reduction of N2 to NH3. The heterocyst lack the pigment system second, which concern with the evolution of oxygen during photosynthesis. Hence, the issue of protecting nitrogenase from oxygen by a thick wall of a heterocyst. There are different examples that showing the combination of BGA and the host plant inside, that are the follows. That means the vegetative cell perform the photosynthesis in that means that the host plant perform the photosynthesis and supply H plus supply the H plus ion to reduction of a N2 to the NH3. Okay, and that are the some host plant with a nitrogen fixation symbiont. That are the first leguminous plant, Azorhizobium, Bradyrhizobium, Elder Cycus, Gunera, Anthoceros, that are the plant that having the symbiotic organism. That is the overall about the symbiotic nitrogen fixation by the BGA.